Hey everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Josh and today we will look at one of the biggest questions of paleontology. How did dinosaurs get so big? From the tall Brachiosaurus to the heavy Triceratops, these animals lived for millions of years. But how did they grow so big? Let's find out. One big reason: dinosaurs had amazing lungs, like modern birds. Their breathing system had extra air sacs that kept air moving through their lungs all the time. This gave them extra oxygen with every breath. Unlike humans who breathe in and out, dinosaurs had a constant flow of air. That means more oxygen. More oxygen means more energy. And with that energy, they grew way bigger than animals like us. Another cool thing? Hollow bones. I know it sounds weird, like how can an animal be so huge and still have hollow bones? Well, modern birds have hollow bones too. This gives them a stronger skeleton, which is also lighter at the same time. Dinosaurs, like sauropods, had bones filled with air sacs. This made them less heavy and helped them to grow to massive sizes without collapsing under their own weight. And guess what? This also helped them to keep growing throughout most of their lives, way longer than mammals today. People used to think that dinosaurs were slow, cold-blooded reptiles. But now we know that's not true. Dinosaurs had something in between. They weren't fully warm-blooded like mammals, but also not cold-blooded like lizards. This type of metabolism, called mesothermic, meant they could grow fast and stay active without needing as much food as a warm-blooded animal. Pretty smart, right? If you're as big as a house, you need a lot of food. And luckily, prehistoric plants were very helpful with that. Back in the Jurassic and Cretaceous period, the planet was filled with plants like ferns and conifers. Perfect for a giant plant eater. Also, dinosaurs had huge bellies that acted like compost bins. Their guts used fermentation to break down tough plants to get every bit of energy from them, so they could eat tons and keep on growing. Another reason dinosaurs got so big? There weren't any mammals of the same size that could compete with them. Today, large animals compete for food in space, but back then, dinosaurs ruled the land alone. And being big was a defense strategy. An animal like Brachiosaurus was way too large to attack, and the bigger the predator was, like T-Rex for example, the safer it was from other predators. Being big meant stronger and safer. So, if dinosaurs grew so big, why don't we see any animals like that today? Well, after the asteroid hit planet Earth and wiped out most of the dinosaurs, mammals took over. But mammals aren't built the same way. They don't have hollow bones or bird-like lungs. They can't grow to the same sizes and still work well on land. But what about whales? They are huge, right? That's because they live in water, and water supports their weight, meaning they can grow to massive sizes like dinosaurs did on land long ago. So, dinosaurs got big because of the perfect mix of things. Great lungs, light bones, special metabolism, plant-filled diet, and no big competition. They ruled the land like no other animals ever have. And their story isn't over. Every bird you see today is a small dinosaur that made it through. This is it for today. I hope you learned something new. If you enjoyed the video, I would really appreciate if you would hit a like and subscribe button for more awesome dinosaur content. And tell me down in the comments, what's your favorite giant dinosaur? And until next time, hold on to your butts.